back to my channel. It's Precious, aka Peachy Presh. I know it's been a while, but I am back with an unboxing video. I'm super excited. This is a handbag that I've been wanting for a very long time, and I finally got it for myself for Christmas. Okay, without further ado, let's go ahead and open her up. Obviously, I'm seeing this the first time that you guys are seeing this. Of course, I've seen it online and I've looked at it 1,000 times. I've saved it to my card. I've tried to check it out, all of that, but we're finally getting it and opening it right now. Here's what it's looking like. All right, I see it already. The moment of truth. All right, here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and unopen it or unbox it. It's like Christmas. So I'm not even showing y'all the bag. Okay, so now that we finally got it all the way unboxed, all the little tape is off, all the little pieces are fully off. I didn't take out the tissue in I did not take the tissue out inside yet, but I just wanted y'all to get a good look at what the bag is looking like. Okay, so this is the Signature Court backpack. It is retail value at $450. And of course, I did not pay that because your girl loves a deal. And I got this from the Coach Outlet website, which they always have like sales and stuff like that. So I got this backpack for $160. After tax, it was $170. So, woo. I mean, to me, that's a deal. I mean, I know some people are probably like, I'm not paying that much for a backpack, but let me show y'all what my current bag looks like. It is a mess. Hold on. Okay, so this is what my current bag looks like. It is just a little bag that I got from probably Marshalls or Ross, I can't remember, but it's all busted up now. Like you can see, it's falling apart. It's pretty rough right here on the top. The inside looks a mess, but overall this is a really nice bag. I've had it for quite a while. So this is my current bag that I have. Now I wanted to show this bag because this is the bag that I bought a while ago, earlier last year, technically 2023, because I like the way that it looked, but I was like, okay, maybe I'll purchase this until I get the actual Coach bag.
Boy, if you don't get...
So I bought this from, I think, it's obviously got to be Ross or Marshalls. I think it might have been Ross. I can't quite remember. I have a video about this earlier on my channel, like I said. But I had purchased this bag because I was like, oh, I don't want to buy the Coach bag yet. It's pretty expensive. I want to save up my money, all this and that. So I bought this bag, and y'all, it ended up, the thing broke right here. Sorry, the glare. The zipper broke, and like not even long after I bought it. And I'm just like, what a waste. And the bag is like super cheap. It was like 10 bucks, I think, probably less than that. And just, it was not up to par. So that is why, not that I have to rationalize anything, but that is why I purchased this bag right here. And I'm super excited. I'm super glad that I did. I love all the details on it. I love the little mesh in the back. The hardware is nice and durable, it looks like. We have obviously the zippers, and it's like two-parted. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Let's open the front pocket first. So we have some tissue that we don't need. So this is the front pocket. Honestly, not much to look at, but it is pretty spacious. And then we have these two pockets on the side. Open it up. There's that. Obviously it has the tissue inside. Again, bag. Y'all seen it? Bag. Right? The inside is pretty big. As you can see, there's two pockets. This is like the back part. Sorry, I'm not doing justice to this. But anyways, like I said, this is the back part. There's that. You can fit, you know, stuff in here. It's my little notebook. Go ahead and put that in there. And I also bought some other little, I was at Target and I wasn't really even thinking, but I have bought these little items that I'm gonna just casually put in here for now. But got a little lint roller, so we can put that in there in our main part right here if we wanted to. And we got some Kleenex. Go ahead and put that in there, you know. And then obviously we got some little hand wipes. Put that in there, nice and sturdy. And of course, I need to transfer all of my junk from this bag into this bag. And what do I have in here? I have my wallet, which, let's just go ahead and switch it out. Let me see if I can kind of switch the angle on this real quick. Okay, so I was going to try to transfer all of my stuff from my old bag to our new Coach bag, but I'm gonna take some time to clean up that bag because it's been dusty and crusty for a while. I didn't want to transfer all that dust and crust over to my new bag and over to the new year, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera. But I did want to try it on for y'all because who knows what this thing is gonna look like on. This is gonna be my everyday bag, honestly. I like backpacks more than I like purses. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Hold on, wait. Hold on, y'all. All right, I gotta stand up for this one. I had to stand up for this because, child, my back was hurting anyway, sitting down like that. This is what our backpack is looking like. Hopefully y'all can see because I can't, I'm filming with my back camera. And then has a little coach right there. Coach. Super sturdy. Have little pockets on the side. Nice. I mean, I'm not going to school or nothing. I don't got no classes to go to, but yeah. It has these little things too. So you can adjust it right here. And on this side. And yay! Alright y'all, that's gonna be it. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I'm back posting on YouTube every week, posting shorts and long form videos as well. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. For hair videos, I got some updates on that, lifestyle videos, and just overall some good content. Hopefully that will be useful to you and entertaining as well. So thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.